Yeah, I swear this is. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Quana Janae, and I am back with another video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you for returning. And today we are doing a wig install, so if you would like to see how I got this look, then stay tuned. Alright you guys, so this is from Luvwin hair, and in this bag they gave me it's actually a shower cap, I thought it was a bonnet, and a edge control brush, the lace band to lay your lace down, HD wig caps, y'all. HD, the thin ones. I've been wanting to try these for so long. Here is the 13 by 4 14-inch wig, highlighted blonde, and they gave me these lashes, y'all. These are so cute. I love the lashes. Oh, and this headband. Now let's get into this wig. Look how bouncy it is, how soft it is. My fingers went right through it. The lace is lacing very thin lace, and it came pre-plucked, but look at it, y'all. It's just so bouncy, so cute. In the inside, it came with the combs, of course, one in the back, two on the sides, and I believe one was also in the front, along with the adjustable wig band that can also be removed, which I liked. Okay, you guys, so I put my wig cap on. I did not do the bald cap method this time, and I sprayed my lace with this lace tint spray, which I also sprayed the wig cap with. You don't have to use this spray. You can obviously use, concealer, foundation. Just make sure you use a color that is right for you, and then go ahead and put your wig on and adjust it to how you like your wig. Okay, so I will be doing the glueless method, and usually I do the glueless method with some mousse or some spritz, or got to be spray. So as you see, I am putting my watery mousse on here. Don't ask why it looks like that. Long story. But yes, I am just putting that all over the lace, and then I am going to lay my lace down with my lace band, and you can lay that down for however long you like. I usually do mine for 20 minutes or so. It really just depends.
Bless up, 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 bless up.
Okay, so I let that sit and took it off. And look, it's secured. Okay, now it is glueless. I do have the combs in, so it's not gonna go anywhere. And then you can do that however many times you would like. Once you do it, however many times that you like, go in and cut your lace. And what you see me do to this one side is what I'm gonna do to the other side as well. So you can either use your scissors or your razor and cut the lace. Just don't go in a straight line. Try to make sure it's like rigid. All right, so I cut my lace down, and now I am going in with my mousse, and then I'm going to spray the, like, over by the sideburns with some spritz, just because I live in Texas and it's 95 degrees plus here, and my AC went out this day. So I had to make sure the lace was, just a little more secure. So as you see here, that is what I'm doing, and then I am going to put the lace band back on and curl my hair and do my makeup, and then I will be back. Okay, guys, so the wig is done, and as you can see, it is giving. So it's a 13 by 4 wig, 14 inches, blonde, and baby, this wig has like been the best wig I've been since ever, honestly. As you can see, it can hold a curl. I curled it. It came with curls, but I brushed them out, and I went over and tried to recurl it. I cut just a little bit, just a little tiny bit in the front, just to frame my face a little. But y'all, it's so soft. I put a little hairspray in it. It is glueless. I do have the combs in on the side and in the back, and it also, as y'all seen earlier, it does have that little band in the back that you can use to loosen it or tighten it. You can wear it glueless if you want to wear it glueless, but just want a little extra security. Girl, just get you some Got To Be spray or some spritz and just spray it on there and use that band, and it'll give. But y'all, I love her. Like, yes, blonde, it is giving. Like, it is truly giving. This is gonna be like my go-to wig in between styles, because what? It was so easy to install too, y'all. Like, so easy to install. She is giving. She is giving. I will have the link below for her. Make sure y'all buy her, cause what? Like, I feel like this is such a cute summer color too. Like, love wig. Y'all did y'all thing with this. Truly did y'all thing. And I did not bleach the knots. You can bleach them, but I did not bleach them. And I ended up taking off the wig cap, and I don't have a wig cap up under here either. So I just sprayed the lace, as y'all seen earlier. And baby, this is what she came out as. And I did pluck this a little more. It did come pre-plucked. And to pluck it, it was pretty easy to pluck it too. I've had other wigs that's just kind of hard to pluck. No, this plucked easily. All I did was put some mousse on it and pluck just a little tiny bit, and it was good. And like the edges, they aren't super thick either, so you don't really even have to pluck around the edges unless you're doing like baby hair. But she is definitely worth it, definitely. And now I'm about to go outside because why not? But yes, you guys, if you would like to purchase this, the link will be down below. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And stay tuned for what I have next for you guys.